Where'd you go?
We're in Paris.
So we got here yesterday around 9 in the morning.
And it was really early and raining.
It was rainy. So we walked to, first of all, my Metro card, the ticket wasn't working. And that was a whole thing.
Insert clip of Lily hating life here.
Then, once I finally got out of the Metro, we went, after dropping off our bags, we went to eat at, remember the name?
La Chambre something.
La Chambre.
Chambellan. Chamberland? Chamberland?
So, it was a gluten-free bakery and a gluten-free cafe, so completely gluten-free. So we all ate there for our morning, and we kind of wanted to wait out the rain, and it did stop raining until we started to leave, and it started to pour on us. So we walked around a bit, and we kind of went in a couple different stores to wait out the rain. It didn't work. We were poured on.
And then we found ourselves at a house about somebody named Henry.
Yes, no, Hugo. So Victor Hugo. So there's this little museum.
To do with Les Miserables.
Yes, apparently he wrote it. So we went to his apartments because it was like a little free tour to go through. But we didn't know it was an audio tour, and they didn't tell us. So we didn't get any like audio tapes with it. So we just walked through, and we had no idea who he was and where we were going.
We know a lot about what he looked like when he died, though.
Yes, they had a whole room dedicated to like him on his deathbed. It was really weird, but cute apartment. Later we found out he wrote Les Mis. So yeah, that's Victor Hugo. After that, we walked around the little square there, and we had coffee at Carrot, like Carrot, but with a C. Sierra is gonna be on all the names because I never remember. Oh, okay, sorry. So Carrot, we went for the hot chocolate. Emma wanted the hot chocolate there, and we had tea and coffee to wait out the rain again. And it did stop raining until we were leaving, and it started to pour on us again. We sat outside, and it was warm until it got really rainy.
It wasn't.
It was actually, the temperature was fine. The rain was a bit cold. Today's colder. It's not raining.
Not torrentially downpouring.
It's not pouring on us. And so we're walking. We have to be somewhere at 1, and that's where we're going. Couldn't tell you where. I don't know. So we are walking before it starts to rain, and I think, was that it for our day 1? No.
No. Then we went
wasn't.
and we took a little nap that wasn't a nap.
No.
On our Airbnb.
Our
Didn't
small.
check in till like 4:30.
Yeah. So the reason we were walking around in the rain was because we couldn't check into our Airbnb until 4. So we were walking around the entire time in the rain. So we got to our little Airbnb, which is bunk beds, and
It's an orphanage, like for real. But I love it.
it's really small, but it's clean. And we were really nervous about, oh puppy, we were really nervous about being cold, but we weren't. We were damp originally, but we weren't cold at night, which was really nice. After our little nap and us trying to dry off, we went to a restaurant called
La Banquette.
Yes, La Banquette. So they had gluten-free options and vegetarian options at the restaurant. So we walked to it, it wasn't raining. It wasn't raining on us until we tried to walk home. And it was just sprinkling. It wasn't downpour again. But yeah. When we walked home, didn't it? Listen, day ones are always a blur. Guys, it's sunny again.
Yay.
We got rained on a bit, which we were expecting. It got really dark. And then we went into IKEA because we needed a free washroom. And
free Wi-Fi.
And free Wi-Fi. Yeah, we needed Wi-Fi. So yeah,
I wanted to play Wordle.
Yeah, we needed it so Emma could send us her tickets.
Right, and the Wordle.
Mostly the Wordle. But we are going into the Opera House now to do a tour. While it's sunny. Although it is getting a bit darker out. So maybe it'll rain while we're in there, and then when we come back out, it'll stop. That's not gonna happen. Anyways, we're gonna go into the opera. Guess where we ate? It was the closest with gluten-free options. That, and we were really hungry. So you have something to say about the opera house.
We went and it was beautiful. Wish you were here. Wherever you are.
We are waiting for the Eiffel Tower to light up and to sparkle. It's a little cold, but while we're waiting, I'll tell you our day. So we went to La Durée, and they had a new section that was being opened that they're kind of testing out, and so it kind of looks like a bar area, and you order off like a set menu of dessert, and I think you can order anything, but they have a set menu there, and that menu they make right in front of you. of what your dessert you order, and it was really cute. We got coffees as well, and there was like no line. That's kind of why we went, and why we didn't just go get the macaron. So we went for coffee. It was really nice. We walked around, and it wasn't raining on us like at all today. A bit of sprinklings of rain, and a couple times the clouds got really dark that we got nervous, but it didn't rain on us.
Yeah.
Oh.
We made Lily change the angle so that you can see this. You're welcome.
Listen, the other way had different light, better lighting, but they made me change my angle.
He made me and my multiple personalities.
Okay, where was I? We walked around. We went in a couple stores. But we went to eat, to wait for this to light up. Although we ate very quickly, which seems to be a problem with us. We keep,
We were there for
we have so much time, honestly. But we ate at a place called La Marève. This is why it's yours. And it was basically a fully gluten-free menu, and they had pizza, and they did not have ravioli, but it was really good. So we are waiting, and we will see.
Update.
We think that the Eiffel Tower, because there's a strike on right now with the Eiffel Tower, that no one can go up it. But we think it's also affecting the lights because the lights have not started, and they were supposed to about 5 minutes ago. So we're gonna walk home. I think we're going to a coffee shop. Actually, I think we're going to a pretty Starbucks. It's not gonna light up, so we will try later. Maybe another day. Day 3. It is the middle of the day. This morning, we went to Compagne, where for our breakfast it had gluten-free pastries, desserts, and sandwiches.
We had a guy serve us that looked like he had Selena Gomez hair.
His hair was
everything he
very
told us.
soft. It looked very soft. Yeah, he was very nice. So we had a coffee, and we got some desserts as our pastry breakfast. And then we went to, we got on the metro and went to a flea market. We're gonna cross here. We went to a flea market, and that's where we spent most of our day, just going around. We did not. A cart.
Close one.
That was close. We didn't get anything.
But we saw a lot of really pretty things. I took a lot of pictures that I wasn't supposed to because I did not
They
leave
have
no photo signs.
photo signs.
And it was worth it.
You know what?
The pictures are gorgeous.
I know. She'll send
no
them to
regrets.
us. So we went there, we went home, and now we're out for a little stroll. Walking around Paris. Guys, it's not Compagne. It's what?
Compagne.
Compagne.
Same. Potato, tomato.
Compagne. Say it again.
Compagne.
Compagne.
No M.
What?
Compagne.
P-A-I-N-S.
Don't you have it on your bed?
Compagne.
No, they don't even know. The way I'm saying it is correct.
Okay, I was wrong.
Proof.
Compagne.
It was delicious, whatever
It was good, and it was gluten-free. They have Instagram. Go follow them on that.
started raining on our walk, if you couldn't tell.
So we stopped in at
A place with arepas and cocas.
we're hoping it lets up, but
But if it doesn't, at least we'll have some food.
and we're close to a metro to get back home. But we are soaked again. We were doing so well with the no rain.
It was a lot of rain. Like a lot. Whatever you're
heavy.
picturing, it's more.
It's a lot.
Like, there's not a little bit of this that's dry.
I'm still dripping. So yeah.
But it's kind of a look, am I right?
Good look.
Whatever. We have coffee and croissants and petit baguette. Just do this. Let's do this.
We are going to Montmartre, so we're gonna get on the metro there, but we had to get coffee first. It took us a while to find a coffee shop. We went to a couple of them.
We went to a place called The Coffee.
It was cute.
Let us down though. And then we went to a place
For
for
pastries.
baked goods, but no coffee alternatives.
I bought
No oat
a
milk or
pastry
soda.
yesterday for me today. So I just needed coffee.
Can you see the petit baguette? The mini baguette. I'm really excited about them.
So yeah, we're gonna get our metro tickets and start heading that way. We just started steps. There was a lot of steps from the metro up to just being outside. And now there's more steps. Emma's already at the top. Sierra waited for me.
Yeah.
Because I had to fix my shoe. But this is just the first set of, I think, many steps. We'll see. I think there's a gondola we're gonna take.
Training for my half marathon.
I know where you can get a new poncho.
It's 2 o'clock. It's almost 2 o'clock, and we haven't been rained on yet. Very happy. We're dry and warm.
We did so much walking. We saw so many beautiful streets in Montmartre. I don't know. A very beautiful area. We saw a basilica, a very large chiesa with
We're practicing our Italian in Paris.
with a merry-go-round in front of it. Vibes. We went down a gondola. We sat at this adorable little cafe.
The Chat Noir.
We did people watching and we drank a coffee.
Coffee?
I had a cafe allongé, not allongé, how I ordered it. The waiter was
We're
very
learning.
judgy about it.
We're
but
learning
it's
every
fine.
day.
Yep, lifetime learning. And it's been great and so dry.
we went pretty long without being rained on. And even now, it's just a sprinkling. It's not, oh, sorry. It's not pouring like it was. So, what happened? We took the metro home, well, closer to home, and we ate.
At Chambellan?
Yes, the same
Again?
place we were the first time. Not that you might be able to hear this, there's a lot of cars. The same place we ate the first day.
It was so good. It's gluten-free, and a lot of items are vegan, and it's amazing.
So Emma and I went for a little walk while Sierra got ready. She had a shower.
I went for a run in Paris.
She went for a run in Paris and got soaked because it started to rain.
It was so fun.
So she had a shower, and then I went shopping at a Montmartre, which sounds fancy, not really. But we just went looking around. And now we are going to
I don't know, a speakeasy.
a speakeasy.
It has guacamole.
And we're gonna get some drinks. Our last night in Paris. Oh, sorry. Come back. It is raining a little bit.
Are too small.
The sidewalks are very small, so we're gonna go there. And yeah, we leave tomorrow for Italy. That's wild. So,
Peace out.
guys, it's not raining on us again. We're so excited when it's not raining. Okay, so I didn't film it because there's quite a bit of people. But you walk into this like cute little taco shop, and then you walk through the back door, which looks like a wall. I didn't think it was that. But you walk through and you go into this cute little bar area that's lit by candles, and they have some food and like chips. We had chips and guac and a couple drinks. And it was just such a cute little place. There's a lot of people there. It smelled so good. All the tacos too. But it was so cute. And we're walking back to our Airbnb, and it's not raining on us.
Love to see it.